Okay. Good day, everyone. Welcome to this interview session. Today, I'm honored to be speaking with Zaki, is my friend, and he's from uh, Timur Leste. And you can introduce yourself, Zaki.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Zaki. You can call me Jack,
Yeah,
and I'm profession in here. I'm a student
yeah,
at university, and now I'm in semester two.
yeah,
My program study my program study that I follow there is English department,
yeah.
and my nationality is I'm from Timor Leste. And what
Okay.
language I use at my country? I use first language is Portuguese and second language is English.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, let's continue to the question. Okay, Jack, I want to ask, what happened if
Yeah.
secondary school? This is the topic is time. Uh, the first
Okay. Okay.
question is, what happened if secondary school pupils arrive 15 minutes late in the school in the morning? Are any disciplinary measure taken? Man.
In my country, when people, let's say they late to come to school,
Yeah.
maybe in the first time or the second time, the teacher will be reminded to next time next time you will be on time when you get to school. But at
Okay.
the three times, maybe the teacher will be order the student to
Hmm?
do not enter the class after maybe 20 minutes or 15 minutes. After that, he
Hmm.
can enter the class.
Okay, I see. So it's similar like in Indonesian disciplinary, yeah. Okay, the
Oh,
next
okay.
question is, what do you think of your friends is lack of punctuality? What do you think?
Uh, Maybe I think they didn't discipline about their time.
Yeah, okay.
As you know, if you as a student, if you as a
Yep,
student, you
yep,
have to measure your time.
yeah. Yeah, I feel like that.
That's I think that's
There's
they're not disciplined about
Yeah,
their
yeah.
time.
There's a lot of student that lack of
Yeah.
punctuality, yeah, or for coming in the class, or maybe come to perfect and yes, study in the university. Okay, next.
Yeah.
What do you think about being late? Okay, in your
Ah,
perspective, I mean.
about late, like what I say that about the discipline. Like
Yeah,
we know we are student as a student, right?
yep,
Like we must have to prepare our time. You
yeah.
must wake up early, take a bath or
Okay,
breakfast. After that, you can go to school on
yeah.
time. I think
So,
that's
okay.
discipline again.
Okay, so it's reflect to the real life context, like maybe in the future will do your job, you have to wake up and yeah, you are not able being late. Okay, next is the
Yes.
topic is the eating. Okay, the first
Okay.
question is what food do you eat for breakfast in the Timor Leste?
We usually eat bread.
Okay.
Eat bread.
What's
Yeah,
called?
bread.
There is some name in the Timor Leste. What is it?
Oh, there's name of paung.
Oh, pau. Oh, what?
Yes, bread from Timor Leste.
Okay, okay. It's just a bread or you eat
There's
bread?
bread if you want to fill with
Mm.
what margarine or
Oh,
butter, you can or
okay.
cheese. That up
Okay.
to you. You want to use.
Mm, it is like a similar bread like a sari roti in Indonesia, or is not
No,
the
no, no,
same?
no.
No.
Different. Not
Oh,
same.
different. Oh, okay. Okay, the next question is can you tell me about the consumption of alcohol in your country? Is
I
it
think
allowed or are not allowed in your country?
I think more countries not allowed to consumption alcohol,
Yeah,
but in my
yeah.
country, alcohol is all place there must be alcohol.
Yeah,
There is
yeah, I know
alcohol, yeah.
that. I know that, but it's not allowed in your country, right?
Not allow it. But
Okay.
every time you come to party, you come to whatever you go to, there must have alcohol in there.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, next question. Is it normal in your country for someone to eat with their bare hands? I mean, like in Indonesia, we use bare hands to eat something like a rice, maybe, or yeah, the usually we eat with bare hand is the rice. Do you have the similar right Indonesian use a bare hands?
Yeah, in Timor also with bare hand. But
Okay.
before it with bare hand, they
Okay.
must wash their hand.
It's the same like in Indonesia, yep. Yeah,
Yeah.
okay. Next question. Okay, got the next topic. It is about the conversation. Okay, question one, what conversation topics are best avoid? It is religion, age, family relationship, conflict in family, marriage, etc. Yeah, maybe something like that, or politic, jokes, yeah, something like that. What is the best topic? I mean, like the best topic that are avoid in your country.
I think
Hmm?
about politic, right? About politic, there's what's
Okay.
avoided in yeah.
Okay, so it's
Politic.
okay. Okay. So,
About religion, it doesn't matter. You
mm-hmm.
must avoid it about politic in there.
Okay, okay. So it's not I mean like it's not a similar like Indonesian. We also discuss about the top about the politic when we do
Mm.
some breakfast maybe or we group discussing we use I mean like we usually get into the topic at the politic topic. Yeah. Okay, it's not
In
similar.
Timor Leste,
Uh,
you must avoid it.
yeah,
There's
okay. New,
sensitive topic.
it is a new information. When I come to Timor-Leste, I must avoid it. Okay, the next
Okay.
question is: are people who speak very loudly tolerate, ignored, or considered irritating in in your culture? Maybe.
Uh, Speak loudly.
Yeah.
There's common like every
Hmm?
day in there they speak loudly. There's a
Okay.
normal.
Okay, it's normal in your country to speak
Yeah.
very high tone, I mean. Okay, it's similar like Indonesia. There's some I mean like ethnic or culture that is Bataknis. Yeah,
Oh,
like they also use a very high tone to speak in the real life.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, discussion or activity. Yeah, maybe it's not normal in our ears, but there's usually use their tone in their culture. Yeah. Okay, next, in terms of body language, eye contact, personal space, and physical contact, I mean, what exactly is considered offensive in your culture, in terms of that thing?
I think
Yep.
eye contact, physical touch, they are sensitive in there
Why physical contact is
because
sensitive? Yep.
they're annoying. There's annoying.
Okay.
Bother other people.
Okay. Okay, they're annoying to
Like
another
that.
people. Yeah, I mean, I feel like that we're someone stranger and I'm not maybe we can take my friend
Yeah.
who's a physical contact. Yeah, that's really annoying and I want to punch that
So
face. Yeah. Yeah, I feel that. I feel like that. Okay, next we are going to gender topic. Okay,
Okay.
you will like this. What penalty are imposed in case of serious sexual harassment in the workplace in your culture? As what the penalty?
Ah,
Yeah,
about the penalty, there,
sexual harassment.
I just know if you have some sexual penalty like
Yep,
touch other person, that
yep.
you will be in jail.
I mean, like it's not have like a what is it called? Like teguran sih bahasa Inggrisnya. Ya itu.
What's teguran?
Yeah. Yes, something inform that you have not to do this in the formal, like in
Yeah, yeah.
text,
You
yeah,
do not do that, but you
or,
do,
or
and the victim is like reported to police, and you will be in jail.
okay, okay, okay. Okay, next question is, could women be leaders in your culture?
Yes, of course. Why not?
Why? I mean, like, there's a country that people usually don't what is it called? It is not normally a woman to be a leader in a country. Yeah, with a high what is it called?
High
The
position.
yeah, yeah. I mean like that. Yeah. What is
In my
this?
country, no, woman
Oh,
can
you're
be leader.
the woman is.
I think there is a tradition from the ancestor, right? Like woman can be
Mm-hmm.
leader, but
Mm-hmm.
not the president. President still a man, but woman
Uh,
cannot. Maybe that, but he
oh.
still lead some group or some company. Let
Mm,
that's it's
okay.
normal.
Okay, so it's appropriate to your country that moment could be leaders. Okay, next is could woman work as a career woman in your culture? Career woman.
Yes, of course.
Oh, why?
Woman can be.
There's a culture that I mean that are not allowed to woman to be a career woman. I mean like that. So it's
They will allow. They
oh
people in there allow the woman to become a career woman.
okay, 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 okay. Okay. Next, the last one is the topic of love. Okay.
Okay.
The first one is how do young couples behave when they're in love in your culture? Is it made public? Do people hold hand and kiss quite openly? Yeah.
When young people
Yep.
couples, yeah, maybe they will date and in the public and hold hand. Maybe about kiss, they maybe find some place
Okay.
to
Okay.
kiss,
Okay.
not in the public when they kiss. Maybe hold
But
hand is normal, like
so holding is normal, but kissing in the public is not normal. Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Okay, next is what is your own culture attitude to gay love?
About
Oh,
gay,
yeah, yeah,
I think all around the world,
yeah,
what uh doesn't like gay.
yeah. But I mean
In my
in
country,
America, yeah. Okay, continue.
in
Yeah,
my country, there is forbidden for gay, but a gay has a community in there.
yeah. Okay, okay. So the people that's making a group, making a community.
Yeah, yes, they're making a group. So I don't know.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I mean like in yeah, like in the culture in America, there's a lot of gay love and this is low.
Yes,
This is normal, but in your country, is it not normal? There is
that that's
any
not normal.
okay, there's any like disciplinary or something like that.
Um, I don't think about the discipline, so I don't know about that.
Oh, you don't know about that. Okay, so in Indonesia, I think the gay love is are not allowed like your country, but we have a law to control that gay love. Okay. Okay, next, the last
Yeah.
question is, what reaction do you have if you see a gay couple expressing physical attraction to each other? Are these issues usually open discussed in your culture, or are they difficult to talk about?
When I see gay people in the public,
Yeah,
I want to punch them because that
yeah,
because that's
yeah,
not normal. Because
yeah,
that's not normal. If you want to gay,
yeah,
you go to your room or your house. You will do
yeah,
whatever you want, not
yeah.
in the public.
Okay, just inside yourself if you're gay, not in the public.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
don't make it open to someone else. I mean, yeah, I feel that too.
Yeah. Like that.
Okay. There's any issue in your culture to I mean like to mention this gay couple in your culture maybe? Or this some what is it called law or something?
Maybe
Yeah.
the government must to discipline the gay.
Okay. Like you said before, that gay is not allowed, and that's not normal in your country, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks. Okay, that's the last question. No, the last question. There's a three
Okay.
more.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Next question. Uh, this is topic of bring up the child is the first question is,
Okay.
are children generally punished for breaking rules? How are they smacked with the stick or with the I mean like with the pistol? No, I mean I'm joking. Can this be
No.
done in public? Yeah.
They will be punished. Will be by advice.
Mhm.
Maybe
Okay,
next time he will do
okay.
the mistake again. Maybe hit with the stick.
So
So
the
the children
non-verbal
not do the
is
mistake
your
again.
really is your culture.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. That's
Yeah, just
that's normal.
yeah, just
To discipline
yeah,
it. This no
yeah.
normal thing.
Yeah, it's normal in Asiatic disciplinary. Yeah. Okay, next.
Yeah.
How long do mothers and fathers stay at home and maternity or paternity leave with their children in your culture? Is a maternity paternity is like how they teach the teacher the what is it parenting, I mean. Yep.
Parenting.
Yep.
Uh, I don't know much about that because after primary school, I moved. I'm not in the home.
Okay, so
So
you can answer this question.
yeah,
Okay, okay.
because
Jack
from
is okay.
from the children, I far away from my parents, so I don't know.
Okay, so okay, it's okay. We can skip this question. Okay, next is,
Okay.
in your culture, do young children age 6 until 9 mix freely with adults, or do they tend to be told to play elsewhere?
Like yeah, maybe the children want join the adult to play together. Maybe they will separate. Child play with the children and
Mm.
like that.
Okay, 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 okay. So yeah, I mean like yeah, they sometimes join with adults, but there's a separate with another kids to play along. Okay, next is
Yeah.
now the topic is about the education. First question is, what is it
Okay.
like to be a teacher in your culture?
Let's say you want to be a teacher in the
Yeah,
Timor.
I mean like that yeah, there's a person want to be a teacher in your culture. And what's the your culture what is it called? Your reaction or something. Yep.
Yeah, you must have degree. You have education if you want to be a teacher at
Uh,
Timor.
oh no, I mean what the reaction to the culture is it something that
Oh,
happy information?
yeah, they will happy get happy
Okay.
information because in Timor we need a teacher, right?
Okay, okay. So, it's just like a usual culture, but yeah, okay. Next question is how is education value in your society? Are there any unique aspect to the education system?
I think there's no unique.
There's no unique.
I think education
Yep.
value. There's no unique. Education still
Uh,
education. There's no.
I mean like education is it important to your society or not? I mean like
Oh,
yeah,
yeah,
it's really
they're so
give you
important.
the oh yeah, okay,
That's
mhm.
important. Yeah,
Oh,
important
it's
in the
really
country.
important to your society that I mean like this
Yeah.
Indonesian that education is not a I mean it's not a true important to young children just work to help their parents and their parents say it is that education not really important to your yeah, I mean like that
Mm.
yeah so in your
Oh,
culture is
country there
education
is
important yeah
important.
okay next is what is the attitude to cheating in school in your culture.
Uh,
Yeah.
cheating.
Yeah, what your reaction maybe here in
I think
cheating in your in school in your culture? What's your culture perspective? I mean,
there is no allowed to cheating in the school.
mm.
It's forbidden thing.
Okay, 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 okay. Next, this is the last one, the true last one
Okay.
of the topic.
Okay.
Okay, this is the fun question. Okay, what are some important festival or holidays celebrate in your country? How are they usually celebrate? There's some unique celebration in your country?
Celebration like
Yep,
maybe in Christmas and like yesterday,
yep,
20 of May, there's what we call proklamasaung. The proklamasaung it's mean I forget that one.
okay.
Yeah,
Oh,
something just like that.
okay, 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 okay. It must be you
Yeah,
have
Independent Day at day at
okay.
20 of May.
Okay, 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 okay. It must be that you stay in Indonesia for a long time. No,
Yeah,
That's
almost
the
forgot.
reason that you forgot about that. Okay, next is
Mm.
are there any superstition or belief that are widely held in your country? Okay. Yep.
What's that? Any superstition
Superstition is like uh what is this called? Uh oh
about religion?
no. I mean like my mythology or something that in Indonesia we have a Nyiro Kidul
Oh, mythology. Myth.
yeah
The myth.
superstition
I think about
yep
the myth that I hear
yeah
is the land of Timor Leste is from the
yep.
dead body of the crocodile.
Okay, can you tell more about that? Uh,
I don't I don't remember that.
oh, you don't remember? Okay,
Yeah, I just
okay. So there's a
know that.
myth that
Don't remember.
Timor Leste is came from the dead body of the crocodile. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. The last one. This question is we're gonna end with the last question. This is the last. Okay, describe your unique culture. What is the most unique
Like what?
culture in your
Culture.
unique culture? I mean, the most. What is it?
What else? The culture.
Yeah.
Mm, oh, I can't remember. That's a long time ago.
Okay.
What
Okay.
culture
I
ever?
mean like you have still you have still what is it called? Do your culture in your activity in your life maybe that come to Indonesia maybe or something like that. It's not about the
Uh,
yeah.
about culture that my family is not follow all culture from my country because we
Hmm?
are Muslim, right? Like we don't follow any culture from my country.
Okay, 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 okay. So that's okay. So that's the last question of me. Thank you for your time, Zaki. Okay,
Okay,
and this is the last session of our interview. Thank you guys and bye bye. Thank you, Jackie. Okay. Shit.